This is the Belmont Fireplace door for zero clearance fireplaces, also known as prefab fireplaces. This fireplace door's online original design with its gorgeous antique brass finish is sure to add class and elegance to any living space. The Belmont has trackless bifold doors, each with 2 panes of glass that open 180 degrees and fold in half, taking up minimal space. The clear 3/16" tempered safety glass in the doors is backed by a 1-year warranty. As a safety reminder, do not burn a fire in the fireplace with the doors closed. The high heat can both discolor the finish and, worse, shatter the glass. The Belmont does not come with any mesh curtains or spark protection. However, if your zero clearance fireplace does not already have mesh curtains installed and you would like to add that extra layer of safety, Fireplace Doors Online does carry mesh curtains and other forms of spark protection separately under our hearth accessories on our website. The aluminum main frame is 1 1/16" wide and 5/8 inch deep. The Belmont zero clearance door shown here is 27 7/8 inches wide and approximately 22 inches tall. This door can be customized to any size specification needs, so to fit your zero clearance fireplace perfectly. Shown here is the back view of the Belmont zero clearance fireplace door. The Belmont is an inside fit door only and comes fully assembled with all mounting hardware included for an easy home installation. Outfit your zero clearance fireplace with the elegant Belmont fireplace door, locked in